Hello everyone, if you're here, you might have noticed that the MetaTrader mobile application has been removed from the Play Store. But don't worry, I'll guide you through the process of installing the app on your mobile phone. So, let's get started. As you can see, due to unknown reasons, the MetaTrader app is no longer available on the Play Store. So, to get it on your phone, you'll need to grab the APK file. Here's what you do. Open Google Chrome and head over to the YaMarkets website. Once you're there, click on the menu icon and look for the Platform section. Select the version you want to download. Now, keep an eye out for the option to download the APK file. It's usually an Android icon. Click on it, and the download will begin. Once the APK is downloaded, click on the downloaded file. So here, if you haven't already enabled installation from unknown sources from the settings, your device will prompt you to do so. Simply click on settings and toggle the allow from this source option, check the disclaimer option, and wait for the timer, hit OK. This step may vary depending on your device's operating system. Once installation from unknown sources is enabled, you can proceed with the installation of the MetaTrader mobile application. Click Install to complete the installation process. After the installation is complete, you can launch the MetaTrader mobile application from your device's home screen or the app drawer. If you are a new user, you can instantly open your YaMarkets demo account by clicking on Accept. With the demo account, you can practice your trading on the go. If you want to log in with your existing YaMarkets live account, simply click on the menu icon, Manage Accounts, click on the plus sign, log in into an existing account. Here, type YaMarkets and select YaMarkets real account type, type in your login ID and password and click on sign in, and you're all set to continue trading. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the MetaTrader mobile application from YaMarkets. Despite its removal from the Play Store, you can still enjoy all the features and benefits of MetaTrader on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates from YaMarkets. Thanks for watching.